When is the best time to clean out your birdhouses so your birds can nest again? And I'm Mark Viette, and I live in the Shenandoah Valley. In warmer climates, you might do this a little earlier, but probably February is an excellent time to clean out your birdhouses. First of all, I recommend rubber gloves. Some people will even wear a face mask. So you just come in here and you might need a brush too to brush it, but you're going to come in and remove and then your birds can nest again. And I'll show you another birdhouse. Now, we have multiple birdhouses in this area. And the one thing I want to mention is we've got we probably have about 10 feeders. Now, some people like to set up birdhouses for bluebirds. Now, bluebirds really don't like hundreds of birds around them feeding. So if you're going to set up a bluebird house, you're going to probably set this in an open field where you're not feeding birds and about this height, and you're going to kind of face it southeast and at this height, and it's perfect for bluebirds out in the open. So I'm going to go ahead and clean this one. Again, in our area, Shenandoah Valley, probably before the daffodils bloom, you're going to come in here and remove the debris, and you're going to take a little brush. You might need a steel brush, but we're going to come in here and clean out this house. Now, sometimes I will come in with a bleach spray and sort of sterilize the inside of this right after I clean it. I'll spray it. And this is set for, sometimes we have sparrows, sometimes we have finches, and occasionally we have other birds that will nest inside this house this spring.